Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint. I'm actually at work, but I'm at work to show off this. The fine folks at New Air have offered to send to me. It is the New Air 6.7 cubic foot chest freezer. We need this at my job. This is an awesome piece of machinery. It's hard to find a deep freezer right now in 2022, the shortage of everything. But they've got them in stock, and they offered to send this my way, and I'm very thankful for that. This is the model NFT070MB00, if that's not long enough for you. But it's pretty cool. I got it with one in black. It does have some pretty cool features, which I'll show you a little bit more once we unbox it. But it does have a nice LED light. It has a little tray so you can put the smaller stuff, like frozen vegetables, stuff like that into. And of course, plenty of room to store, well, what we're going to store here, which is deer meat, right? It's hunting season here in our area of North Carolina, and so it's a perfect size freezer to store probably 2 to 3 deer, I would say. And so we've got an upright at our house, and we decided we needed one down here at the job because we like to do cookouts and stuff like that here from time to time, and it'd be great to have the ability to store that. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. I'll show it off, we'll plug it in, and I will show you what you can get from New Air. And here we go. As you can see, it's like a matte black finish. It's actually going to work beautifully in the shop. It kind of won't show fingerprints and smudges like the silver or the white model would. But it's got some pretty cool features here up on top, and I'll bring the camera off the tripod here in a second to show it to you up close. It has our digital controls for temperature control. And let's take a look at some of the specs here. And again, I'll do a walk around. Without breaking, here we go. 244 kilowatt hours per year. So it is not an Energy Star unit, but it is fairly low usage overall if you look at what kind of wattages. And I can't remember. $29 a year to operate this thing, so not going to put a huge dent in your wallet to have something like this. And with the price of stuff right now, if you're going to go buy like packs of chicken when they're on sale or packs of pork when they're on sale, you got to have a place to store those so that you can save a little money when stuff does go on sale, because less and less things are going on sale, if you know what I mean. All right, well, let me pause the camera for a second here. I'm going to untape it. I'll plug it in, we'll power it up, and I'll show you the rest of this. We'll do a quick walk around, okay? And here we go. We've got it off of the rest of the packaging, and we have it down. The first thing I want to point out, might be a little hard to see. Let me see if I can get it down. There are, right there, and right there, there are adjustable feet. And so you can set this thing up in a way that it's angled right, so if your floor is uneven, it's adjustable. That right there is a drain. So just like all deep freezers, or every one that I've ever come across, these do eventually accumulate frost. And so once every 3 to 5 years, you're gonna have to power it down, take all your stuff out of it, and then go ahead and drain it, you know, after it thaws out. But that's something that pretty much happens on all these units. On this side, not a lot to speak of, just your regular stuff. But back here, we'll go ahead and take a look at the card on it, and there it is, freestanding installation only, it says, and 60 hertz, 115 volts, 1.4 amp is not a lot, and it uses R600A, very little amount of R. It's just 2.29 ounces, which is pretty crazy. I like that. And so we got our hooks, our hinges here. Here's the backside where our compressor is going to be firing up, and it's actually running right now, and you can't hardly hear it. In fact, I just hear the noise of our heater up in the ceiling more than I hear that. But I'll be quiet for a second so you can hear it. There you go. And then over on this side, it has some warnings. I'm not sure what that stands for. Maybe it's an internal code, but just warnings about, you know, doing the right thing with it. And then there's another ventilation for our air to come in and exit out the back. So you probably wouldn't want to put it flush against a wall on this side. Cool. Up on top, and you can see the top here, fast freeze, temperature control. Right now, of course, it's room temperature, 64. We can change our temperature. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. Right, we can adjust that, and then the lid just opens up. There is no lock on it, but it does have a nice LED to light up the area. And then down here, nice, large area, a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. We thought that we were looking at something maybe 4 cubic foot or 3.5, so a big space, really deep. If I'm reaching down here to the bottom, that goes almost to my elbow, so 3 feet, I'd say, maybe a little bit more. We have our little tray here, which you can move around. It's taped in right now, but you can move that anywhere you want. I'd probably put it on this side for me. And then that little plug right there goes down there. And then you got your manual, and I'll go ahead and pull the manual out and we'll take a look at it before we wrap this video up. I will say this thing is whisper quiet. Like, I had a hard time. If I didn't put my hand on it and feel the little hum of the compressor, I'm not sure that I would actually know that it was running, but it is running. And let's take a look at the model here. So there's two different, you have NFT070MB00, and the other model is NFT070MB00 or 00, and that's probably for the 2 color combos because they did offer some combinations there. The manual is 18 pages, and let's just go through it. Overall unit dimensions, 37.5 inches wide, 22.2 inches deep, and 33.3 inches high. So if you want to take measurements and figure out if that's going to work for your house. I probably should read these things before I make these videos, but I kind of like to unbox them with you to get my first impressions. Interesting, it does have a circuit diagram, so if you wanted to diag, if it ever had issues and you wanted to figure it out yourself, hang on to the manual because they actually give you that information, and that's pretty cool. Just looking to see if there's anything in. So we have fast freeze mode. It says to activate fast freeze mode, press and hold that snowflake up on top there for 3 seconds. The compressor will now run for 24 hours straight and will stop after that period of time, or when the temperature inside reaches negative 18 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's the fast freeze, and I think that's a really cool idea, because if you had a bunch of food and you wanted to transfer it into this freezer and the freezer hadn't been on for a while, well, you could make sure that it stayed cold really quickly by just hitting that override and letting it cycle 24 hours straight of just constantly cooling. And so it's a pretty neat feature there. I like that. It says, when do you need to activate it? Depends on how much food you plan to freeze at once. You may need to activate fast freeze if you are freezing food between 4 and 11 pounds. So there you go. Anything over 11 pounds, they say activate fast freeze mode for at least 3 hours. So you can turn this back off by pressing hold again. But they're telling you if you have thawed food that you want to freeze, that's the way to like quick freeze it. So that's pretty cool. I really like that. Yeah, I don't think I've ever heard of a freezer that had that function. And it talks here, there's this page about how long you can store frozen foods. And they're giving some pretty wide variety. TV dinners, 4 months. Fresh fish, 6 months. Steaks, 12 months. A chicken or a turkey whole, 1 year. Those are general guidelines. I'm going to be honest. I keep my frozen foods frozen until I eat them. And occasionally something gets shuffled to the back and it goes more than a few years and it gets a little bit of an off taste to it. They call it freezer burn. But most of the time, it's fine. You know, as long as it's been within, I'd say, two years, the food's going to be fine. You're not going to get sick off of it. It just changes the flavor of it some. But we just try to cycle our food around so that, you know, the new stuff we buy always goes to the bottom. Then it talks about cleaning, if you ever have to clean the gaskets or clean the unit. And it has a little bit of troubleshooting. And so that's it. But it's got a 1-year warranty on it as well, which is nice. And I'm super happy. You know, New Air, I bought a couple things from them at my own cost, and apparently I caught their eye by doing, you know, showing them off on YouTube. And they offered to send that air conditioner over the summer. And they just reached out and asked me if I wanted to review this, and it was like, wow, yeah, we could definitely use that for work. So I'm happy to be able to have this. I want to thank New Air for sending it my way. And if you're interested in the deep freezer, I can tell you that my mom was very happy with the air conditioner. We are super happy with the 12-volt Frigidaire Freezer that we have in our bus. And it's just, you know, they put out good stuff, so I got no complaints. The little fridge that when I went to my wife's house, the fridge freezer, or no, my wife's house, my wife's work, you know, when we work so much, it feels like It's our house sometimes. She's had that going for a few months now and loves it. So this is a company that makes quality products, and I'm happy to work with them. Till next time, my friends, take care.